Can you say A?
A.
B? C?
C.
D? Can you say D? E?
No.
F?
No.
G?
No.
Can you say star?
Sure.
Can you say moo cow?
Mungo.
Can you say table?
Table.
Can you say chair?
Chair.
Picture?
Picture.
Mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise.
Can you say turkey?
Turkey.
Refrigerator? Yeah, I didn't think so. Can you say sink?
Sink.
Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Can you say toast?
Toast.
Can you say color?
Current.
Can you say door?
Four.
Can you say wall?
Four.
Can you say floor?
Four.
Can you say up?
Up.
Can you say down?
Down.
Can you say game?
Game.
Can you say play?
Play.
I can't think of that. Tree?
Tree.
Bird?
Bird.
Chicken?
Ticket.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Two.
Yeah, you did. Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Off.
No, mess with the camera. Okay. What about puppy?
Puppy.
Dog?
Duck.
Buster?
Butters.
Oh!
Butter outside.
Yeah, I know Buster's outside. Can you go, oh!
Ow.
Good job, Joe. Oh!
No.
No, you know one time, that's it. You say one. Woof, woof.
Woof.
You say monkey. What?
Oh.
Oh. I don't really know how to do the monkey noise.
Oh.
Snake. Yeah, snake makes this sound. Can you say snake?
Shake.
Yes. Lizard. No. Elephant.
A foot.
Where's your foot?
Yeah, foot.
Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your elbow?
Elbow.
Where's your arm? Where's your hand? Where's your fingers? Yep, fingers. Where's your hair? Where's your ears? Where's your belly? It's there, baby. You don't have to show me. Where's your back? Oh, it's okay, baby. Where's your back? You got an owie? Oh, there's your back. Where's your butt?
This.
Yeah. How do you tickle? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yeah. Where's your tongue? Yeah. Ah. Where's your teeth? Good job, Jojo. Is that your monkey on the floor?
So many monkeys.
There's a monkey on the floor, face down. Yeah. Yeah, there's your hat. And it's not raining and it's not cold, but she wants to wear her rain jacket. So I let her wear her rain jacket. Is that your monkey? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Play.
Yeah. Ooh, monkey, monkey, monkey. No. Say llama.
Mama.
Zebra.
Yep.
Yo-yo.
Yeah.
Violin. Yeah, we're working on that one. You say earth.
F.
You say planet.
Painted.
Star.
Star.
I can't think of a lot of words. Joe, I know you like playing this game. Where's your seat? Is that your seat? Help you sit up nice and tall at the table? Yeah, there's the table. Picture. Ooh. She's kind of in a grumpy mood at the moment. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Wave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I see Daddy.
Bye-bye.